Hey Angie, how you doing? Thank you very much for clicking this video. My name is Lucas and I show you guys this short little video of 3 things that I found on your website that you can fix really easy to start beating Wiremasters Electric, which are the ones that show on the first results on Google when you look for electrician in Miami. I see that you guys are on the second here, so it's really easy for you guys already to jump to the first result since you're so close. Okay? Those you may wonder why I make this video for you. It's just because I know business owners are really busy helping their clients already, and they don't have time to to learn how to get the internet to bring them more business, okay, or how to outrun their competition online, because it's a whole process, okay. And also, when they try to hire somebody to do that, they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So that's why I make these free videos, and they're pure educational, okay. And then some business owners, they decide to take all the information and do it themselves, and some of them, they contact me and they have me do it for themselves. So moving ahead, I'm gonna keep it nice and short. These are the 3 main things that Google uses to rank a website on the top. The first thing is content. Google, on average, likes to see around 2,000 words of content or keyword-rich content on the first page in order to rank you on the very top. That means all the text, pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and what is behind the pictures. So if we put your website here on the word counter, I can see that you guys have 785 words. While if you go to Miami Wiremasters Electric, and you take all their content on their front page, all right, and you put it on the word counter, you can see that they have 1,300 words, all right. So that's one of the things that you need to do if you want to start reading them, is adding some more content and keyword rich and oriented content. That means that you want to find all the terms that people are looking for regarding your services, like electricians Miami, electricians in Miami, electrician services in Miami, all those kind of things, all right? And mentioning several times all throughout your website. So when people look it up on Google, Google can find you and show you on the very top. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks. A backlink is basically your website mentioned in another website that when somebody clicks on it, it drives all the traffic back to your website. So that said, Google is a little bit like a popularity contest. All right, they like to see a bunch of relevant pages, websites vouching for you. So you can imagine then that it's not the same like a a website that talks about pizzas, or a Pizza Hut website mentions you on their site, that on the other hand, another electric company or a website that publishes electric related articles mentions you on their website. That is way more powerful on Google's eyes, since they like to see websites within the same niche vouching for you. That's the thing that gives you the real power. Okay. How you outrank your competition on backlinks? We go ahead and put your website right here on Ahrefs. This is a tool that we use to check the referring domains, backlinks, organic traffic, and all that stuff. So you can see here that you guys have 53 referring domains. That means that you have 53 websites that somewhere in their websites they have links linking back to your site. While Miami Electrician, like Wiremasters Electric, sorry, if you take their website and you put it into Ahrefs right here, you can see that they have 76. So how can you beat them? The easiest way, and you already have a lot of domains and you're ranking second, so by doing this you will blow them out of the water, is just go here, click on the referring domains that they already have, and go through every single one of them, and every single one that you don't have already, just log in, sign up for an account, and put your website on there. That's the easiest way to do it. Okay, so by copying them, if these domains are good to rank them, they're good to rank you. So that way you will have all their 76 that they have, plus these extra ones. Plus, if you want, build some more. So that way, 100% you would be outranking them on the organic Google results. That said, the third and last thing I want to talk about is citations. Citations is your business information in in a in several directories all throughout the web. Okay, the same way that you submitted it with Google. So business information, I mean your business name, address, and phone number. Directories are things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Google, Facebook, Angie, that kind of stuff, all right? And if that's what it makes you rank over here. And if you see that your competition has, let's say, 150, I will go for at least 300, 250, 300 at least. So that way it makes it really hard for them to catch up with you. Okay. So this is completely free. Okay. It just takes some time because you need to go manually through all the directories. But that way you will be ranking on the top of Google results and on top of the organic results with the backlinks and the content. So a little recap, what you need to beat Wiremasters Electric is add some more content to your website, keyword rich and oriented content, around 2,000 words. Then building a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start doing them by copying the backlinks that they have already. And also checking how much citations your competition has over here. And yes, build at least 100 more than them. That way you guarantee that you will be in the first place right here and in the first place right here. So if you like what you just saw and you heard and you want me to do it for you or help you doing it, please contact me at any time you want. Or if you want to take this information, please feel free to take every single part of it and do it yourself. If you have any questions throughout the process, you can feel free to contact me and I'll help you with it, okay? That said, I would really appreciate if you can give me a little feedback on this video. That would really help me. And thank you very much. One last thing that I would recommend is that you take action and start doing this as soon as possible, since all this takes some time to implement. And the sooner you do it, the sooner everything will be ready and you'll be ranking on the very top. So you'll be getting all those calls that come with being at the very top of Google. Thank you very much.